looking for the queen.
You got the right one. Let these big bitches know, nigga. Let these big bitches know, nigga.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I showed you all how I created this Christmas look and Christmas ornaments on my face. So if you like it, stay tuned, like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. I am using Juvias Place Wahala palette. And I'm just building up my burgundy by adding layers on top of layers so that my color can be intense. Now I'm adding the darker color to the outer end of my eye. I'm making sure I pack those colors together and blending them in. Now I'm getting ready to blend it out with this red, and after I add the red, I will be adding the peachy color. Remember to use a larger brush when blending out your edges. Now I will be adding the peachy color to the outside over my eyebrow. Getting ready to cut my crease using the Acid Rain paint. After I create the shape of my cut crease, I will use Crayon case wipes to wipe the excess eyeshadow. These are the best wipes that I've ever used. When you get close to the end of where you want to end your cut crease, just blend it in with a brush with no product. Now with my cut crease, I'm going to be adding 3 colors, ombre together, and then I will be putting adding glitter on the top. Afterwards, I will be adding black to make my outer corner more intense. With my favorite liner gel, I will be adding a black wing line. Now I'm getting ready to get to my skin. I will be using the Urban Decay setting powder and my normal routine with the MAC, and for the foundation I will be using Juvias Place. For my concealer, I will be using Morphe in the color C335. And for my contour, as usual, I will be using the Fenty Beauty Espresso Contour Stick. Blending in my concealer with a damp blender made by Crayon case. I'm going to blend my contour in off camera. Now I am adding the setting powder made by Crayon case. This is Chalk Dust O. And for my jawline, I will be using Chalk Dust Y because it is a darker shade. I left the setting powder under my eye because I am adding color under my eyes and I do not want the eyeshadow fallout to be in my skin. So if you use setting powder, all you have to do is dust it off with your powder brush. I'm using the same 3 colors that I use on the top of my eyelid. Getting ready to do my lips using one of my favorite reds made by Juvias Place, Lulu. Now we'll be adding highlighter on my cheeks. Afterwards, I will set my face, and afterwards I will be creating my ornaments using Crayon makeup, P. Louise makeup bases, and also eyeshadow. The first layer is the Crayon aqua makeup. Now I'm using eyeshadow to fill it in. Ornament to life, I will be adding a shadow underneath the ornament to bring it out on my skin. I did the rest of the ornaments off camera, but this is my final look that I'm loving. If you like it, make sure you leave a comment, like, subscribe, and share.